Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a crucial accessory for anyone using an Epson Perfection V850 Pro or V800 flatbed scanner. The USB cable laptop PC data sync cord lead from DigiPartsBauer. This isn't just any generic cable. It's specifically designed to ensure seamless data transfer and reliable connection for your high-end scanning needs. Compatible with models like B11B224201 and B11B223201. One of the standout features of this DigiPartsBauer cable is its robust set of safety characteristics. The product boasts over temperature protection, or OTP, which safeguards against overheating, ensuring both the cable and your valuable scanner remain at optimal operating temperatures. Then there's OVP, or overvoltage protection, a critical component that shields your devices from potentially damaging voltage spikes. Short circuit protection, or SCP, is also integrated, preventing electrical damage in the event of an accidental short. And finally, OCP, or overcurrent protection, ensures that the current flowing through the cable stays within safe limits, protecting your laptop, PC, and scanner from excessive power draw. These 4 layers of protection truly elevate this cable above standard offerings, providing peace of mind that your expensive equipment is well protected. The manufacturer emphasizes that their products are made of the highest quality, and this cable certainly feels premium. Its construction suggests durability, designed to withstand the rigors of regular use, whether you're connecting your scanner in a dedicated studio or taking it on the go. Speaking of on the go, its design makes it easy to carry outside and use, aligning with its outdoor computer special feature, suggesting versatility for various work environments. While primarily a data sync cord, its USB nature also implies it functions as a reliable USB charging cable for compatible devices, adding to its utility. This DigiPartsBauer USB cable is a straightforward yet essential piece of equipment. It features a standard USB connector type and is a universal USB cable type, making it broadly compatible with laptops and PCs. For owners of the Epson Perfection V850 Pro or V800, having a dedicated, high-quality data sync cord like this is paramount for maintaining optimal performance and ensuring your scanned images and documents transfer flawlessly. It's not just about connecting your scanner. It's about ensuring that connection is secure, protected, and consistently reliable. This cable truly delivers on those fronts, making it an indispensable tool for serious photographers and archivists alike.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.